Here's my little product review of a portable bathtub. I didn't even know that was a thing until recently. It's by Ganen portable bathtubs. So I'm going to do the unboxing of it, putting it together. I read it only takes about 10 minutes to put together, or something like that. I got it in the mail in just a couple of days, so that was pretty cool. And I haven't even looked at it yet. So this is a true first time response review, whatever you want to call it. I guess it's similar to a reaction video, right? Well, here's all the parts, pieces. Comes with its own air pump, that's cool. Booklet. The tube for probably draining it, I would imagine. And that's it. So that's all the contents of it from inside the box. Now let's see how long this takes me to figure out. So unboxing it took a minute. See how long it takes to put it together. Installation. It looks like the installation is just 6 steps. Oh, those are precautions. Symptoms, others, safety tips, user manual, safety tips, precautions, installation. Oh, okay. Well, the steps are not numbered, but it looks like there's about 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe about 8 steps in this, and then there's how to fold it and put it away, maintenance and so forth. And the last one isn't even an installation piece, just a picture of what it looks like once it's installed. So there's, it's like a shape of a barrel. So I'll let you know how comfortable this is too by the time it's all done. So for bigger people, I'm 6 feet even, but I'm thin, muscular, tone obviously, but I'm not, you know, a heavier set person by any means. It's about 75 centimeters. It's about 2.5 feet tall, and about, I think it was about the same width as well, except at the top a little wider. But 75, 2.5 feet comes up to about right here when I'm sitting down, so I can totally submerge myself in this thing. Probably have to sit Indian style, but I'm pretty, I'm Indian style right now. I'm pretty comfortable with it. Okay, find out the tube entrance from the tub bottom. All right, let's see here. This is going to be real time, not edited. I know the drawback is most people will probably click out before it's done, or probably already have. I mean, I'm like 3 minutes into the video. I'm just now starting to put it together. But the positive to this is if you really want a real review of what it's like to put this thing together to see if it's worth it for yourself, without any edits, making it shorter, it'll be highly informative. So that's cool. Okay, take this stuff out of the plastic. Whoops. Take this out of the plastic. I'm sure this has got to be a drainage tube for when you drain it. All right, so find out the tube entrances from tub bottom. Okay, I think I found it. Insert the 6 tubes from the bottom to top one by one. Okay, so there's 6 tubes right here, bottom to top one by one. This clearly is the bottom side. You can see because it's flat. Up here is rounded, so that makes it easy. So there should be some entrances here, top to bottom. Oh, I see. I think I already know what it's talking about. This is pretty cool, man. So far I'm digging this. I'm sort of already envisioning the space I will have inside of this thing, so that's pretty cool. Okay, here's the entrances. Okay, it's these things here. So far so good. Oh, okay, I see. All right, that's pretty self-explanatory. So there's going to be 6 of these. There's a little hole down here. I put this through. Obviously, the rounded end goes in. So that's one. And this is closed up at the top, so you can't push it through just all the way to the top. So it makes it pretty easy, pretty foolproof, self-explanatory. That's two. That's three. I'm already halfway done. So far, this is among the easiest directions as far as like unboxing something and putting it together yourself, where it doesn't come assembled, but you have to assemble it. It's one of the easier things I've ever done so far. We'll see if that holds true all the way to the end, or if I spoke too soon. But so far, so good. What was that? That was number 4. This will be number 5. Whoops. All right, one more to go. Cool. That's all 6. Now what? Let's see what this thing says. Air the top circle with big size inflatable head. It's got a picture of every step, so that's good, because I don't think I'd be able to follow that without that. Let's see here. Whoops. Here we go. This pertains to the air pump, so let's unwrap that. All right, let's see here. Air the top circle with a big size inflatable head. Okay, big, medium, small. Oops. Okay. So that attaches like so to this end. That was easy to figure out. Now I got this other part. Is this missing a piece, I wonder? I think this might be missing a piece. Well, that's stupid. Let's see here. Okay, let's see. It's going to go right here. All right, so this is where it blows up right here. Here's the little nozzle. I still think this is missing a piece. Well, that's super frustrating. Wasn't too much to take out of here, so I don't think I would have misplaced it. I think it's just somewhere in here. I've actually got nozzles, I think the ones that it's actually looking for. But I'll show you what I mean here. It's supposed to have this right here that you put at the end of the, whoops, was my finger in there, it is. So you got the hose right here. It's supposed to have these end pieces, the nozzles, the big and small one, but see, I've just got this, but I don't have those nozzles, those end pieces. Or it didn't come with it anyway, which is really freaking stupid and frustrating for someone that doesn't already have those with maybe other things. But I will be right back. I'm gonna go grab what I think I have. I think I've got a solution for that just from other things that I bought. So be right back. Actually, never mind. Just as I click stop on this thing, I just realized this is actually going to fit in here just as it is. See that? It's perfect just as it is. Now I got this thing here. Probably supposed to step on it. Well, let's see how long it takes. I'm just going to do it by hand instead of stepping on it. It's start my stopwatch right now. Here we go. Feel like it's more of a workout. It's kind of funny to sing whistles. Oh, this is going up easily in no time. I am a fitness nerd, so if this works. What is this working? Definitely the chest, the front of the shoulders. Almost there. Actually, I think that is about it. This doesn't inflate down the sides. It's just this top piece that inflates. And I don't want to go any harder than that. I think that's probably about right. Okay, that took less than a minute. So far, all of this is awesome. It's just that one little confusion piece. But I was able to figure that out pretty easily. So that's it, man. I think, well, let's look at the rest of the directions. I'd say the installation is less than 10 minutes. Load and tighten the top and turn it off. Yeah, okay, I did that. Close this. Oh, this thing here, here's the drainage. Okay, that's it. So here's the last piece here. Just like any other kind of valve, it's open right now. So I'd want to make sure I turn that off. Point this down. So I'd want to make sure I turn that off simply by doing that, and obviously now it's off. And this piece here, yeah, this just stretches out, so that's pretty convenient to go to the nearest drain. Could be your shower stall. I mean, you would get one of these if you don't have a bathtub, but you probably have a shower. So that is super simple, man. That took, I don't know, less than 10 minutes for sure. What was that, 6 or 7 minutes total? And you saw I didn't have any time to I didn't look at it and study it before I started this video. I unboxed it and did everything for you, figured it out and everything. So now all that is left is to fill this with water, put myself in it. Well, actually, I put myself in it right now. Way back here. Bring this up some, get the whole thing in camera, hopefully. Don't worry, I will fill it with water and get in the tub. This barrel, I should say. All right, so. Oh my God, I feel so silly, but this is actually really cool. Yeah, I comfortably fit in this. I was really questioning that part, but I'm 6 feet tall and I very comfortably get into this. Obviously, I'll be completely submerged except my head, but even if I want to dunk, I can do that easy enough. So all that's left now at this point is fill it with water and take a bath, which I will do for you guys tomorrow. So come back tomorrow. I'm just kidding. It'll be tomorrow for me, but it's going to be stitched to the end of this video, so you don't need to go anywhere. It even comes with a little inflatable pillow if I want to use it. It's actually very comfortable. With or without this pillow, actually. It's pretty comfortable, so I don't know if I'll use that. All that's left now is to drain the thing, and that's it. But so far, this has been great. Just one complaint. It took 27 minutes to fill this thing up. I was reading the reviews, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. My water pressure is just fine, so I don't know why it took 27 minutes, but it did. At first, I was like, I'm going to return this, get a refund. But after 5 minutes, I'm like, in the days I really just want to soak myself, I'll just go do something else while it's filling up and then hop in. And so I'm okay with that, I've decided. But literally everything else about it
It's so easy and so cool. It's just 27 minutes to fill the thing up, so it's a bit of a wait. Ah, rubber ducky, you're the one. You make bath time lots of...
It didn't work out. I'm taking it back. So as I'm bathing in there, it starts tilting to the side. I'm like, what the heck? It's going to collapse or something. And there's 6 legs. Seems like some sort of plastic or PVC material. Obviously some cheap material that wasn't getting it done, but one of the legs started to collapse, so it was tilting to the side. And if I didn't catch it when I did, man, that's a lot of water to just spill all over the bathroom. It would have leaked in the basement, maybe caused eventually some rotting in some of the floorboard underneath, and that could have been huge construction costs down the road. That could have been extremely costly. So I'm glad I caught it when I did. It's draining right now. It's been going for about 10 minutes, probably at least another couple minutes to go. So I'm gonna guess about 12 to 13 minutes to drain it. About halfway draining it, I had to hold on to the side with a fair amount of elbow grease, otherwise it was gonna tip over. So that sucks, but after it was about halfway down, the water halfway down, there was enough pressure relief from the side that it wasn't buckling anymore. So that's extremely disappointing. There I thought I was going to keep it, but nope. If it's going to collapse, I can deal with taking 27 minutes to fill it up, but it's got to, if it's going to spill water all over the place and potentially cause thousands of dollars worth of damage, I don't recommend getting it. At least not this particular brand. Maybe there's another one out there that is a lot better. I have no idea. But that was my first shot, and so now I got to return it. Bought it from Amazon. I've never returned anything purchased online before, and that's exactly why, one reason why, I only purchase online if there's no other option. I don't know of any other way to get a portable bathtub. So hopefully it's not very difficult. It's going to be a new experience, but I'm definitely returning that thing. Massive fail. Well, hope you enjoyed the review. If you're thinking about getting a portable bathtub, you know at least one to avoid. Bye for now. And subscribe to my YouTube. Once in a while I do product reviews, additionally to lots of music stuff, songwriting, lots of health and wellness stuff. Dig it.